Hello, today we're going to look at the many ways to represent a fraction with the help of Mrs. Isley and Mrs. Garbarino's fourth graders. The directions I gave their class was to represent 4/5 as many ways as you can. Now a fraction is really dependent on its two parts. The denominator that tells me the total number of parts, like in this pie the denominator would be 6, and the numerator tells me the total number of parts I'm actually interested in, so here it would be the 1 piece of pie that we're pulling out. This student chose to represent 4 out of 5 with 4 red out of 5 squares. This student chose to color in 4 out of 5 bars. Likewise, this student partitioned their paper into 5 spots and colored in 4 of them. The student decided that these 4 were the 4 out of 5 squares in a different arrangement. Likewise, it doesn't have to be at the end, or it could be in the middle. So I have 4 blues out of 5 squares. Brock chose to show us 4 lined pieces of index card out of 5. And here we have 4 colored in boxes out of 5. Likewise, another example of 4 out of 5 squares being green. And in our picture, our girls acted out 4/5, where there are 4 girls laying down in pink, and out of 5 girls. This person decided 4/5 would be 4 Sharpies out of 5 markers. Likewise, 4 yellow highlighters out of 5 highlighters. 4 green highlighters out of 5 highlighters. I could even use a circle representation where I have 4 pieces of my circle out of 5. And again, really the key is though you want equal parts. We could do dominoes. 4 green dominoes out of 5. Now the question gets a little harder when we ask you to do an improper fraction, or a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So they're also asked to represent 6/5 as many ways as they can. This student chose to represent 5/5 fully colored in, and 1 more makes 6/5. This student drew the entire bar as 1, and then a little bit sticking off of it. 6/5 is the same as 1 1/5. This student does a very similar way where they line it up, and again, they're showing that these 5 out of 5 represent 1. Very well done. Here, we don't even need to partition the whole. This whole could just be 1, and I have 1/5 more out of 5. This student does the same idea, and I really like how they call that 1/5 a little extra. So I have 5 out of 5 pieces filled in, and I've got 1/5 extra hanging off. Right now we're going to watch a video of some other students showing a creative way to show 6/5 or 4/5.
So we have 5 boys throwing 5 paper airplanes at once. Ready?
Yes.
Set. Fire. So that's a group of 5 out of 5. And now let's see one more. Let it fly. And that's 6/5.